Alright, we got the breakfast of champions here. Apple turnovers, pepperoni, coffee, and a breakfast sandwich. Alright, Thomas, so I got a little surprise for you.
Oh.
So your car has a tape deck. I brought a random tape I found. It's got Tom Petty Full Moon Fever on one side and Hotel California on the other.
Alright.
I want to see if this will play a tape. It's been so long since I've used one of these. Oh, other way. Thing. Yep. Alright, we got tape action. Oh my god, it's doing it. It works.
Well, of course my tape player works. Now I'm free!
3A block. Alright, so we're fixing to pull the front grill off this because it has the pre-facelift. Oh shit, like I needed. Watch that metal there. Okay. So the thing with these is, in order to take the grill,
You gotta take the headlights out?
yeah. Yep, snaps. What do you expect?
Is it just those two bolts?
Yep, that's all. Well, there's two screws, but that's all that really holds the headlight on, and the two screws in here.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, watch that there.
So do you need to take out both headlights?
Yeah. Oh god. White wall tires. How long has it been here? There it goes. What a good boy.
What a good boy.
Okay, this screw I gotta keep because I lost mine. I'm gonna need a big.
Well, you just broke it.
That's alright. Zip ties. I've kind of expected that it'll break. There we go.
Like almost fucking what? 50 years old?
The oldest ones of these would be 1983. 37? Fuck off, tree. Stop trying to take my hat.
There you go.
Oh, she wants to.
What's she snagging on?
The two last clips. Oh.
She's free. It's yours.
Last clip. Oh. Yes! Yeah, that's a much nicer looking grill than the facelift one. Okay. Mission successful. Good job, mate. Bye, Pater Auto. It was nice to meet you. Alright. We got some parts. You'll have to see later. We're sweaty as shit.
Yeah.
It's hot. We have the AC crank. Oh, it's kicking on now. We are sweaty, man.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow. In 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. But hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency. You can tell him, it's my son, he's hurting me, and he's a felon. On parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea. Ain't no stopping the G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company company monopoly. You handle shit sloppily. I drop a key